guys, Arjita here. Welcome to today's card video. Today I'm going to use a brand new hot foil plate by Crafty Meraki. This one is called Green Garland and I totally love this pattern. So I've used the pearl foil for this and it looks so beautiful. So next I'm going to use the EAP, and this is a revolutionary product by Crafty Meraki. This one is called Love Like No Other, and I'm going to use this first sheet, which is orange and yellow. So I totally love the way this can be used, and you can make such quick cards using this product. So I wanted to enhance the yellow, and for that I'm going to add some distress ink on top, and this will brighten up the cardstock. And basically the pearl foil is resisting the ink, and you can just see that I'm able to wipe it away, and it is an instant brightness in my card. So you can see the reflection. It's a very subtle pearl reflection. Now I'm going to use the coordinating die and cut this EAP out. So this is the way you want to use this. You can cut out all the sentiments as well. There is a separate die for that also, and you can make so many cards, stunning cards, so quickly. So now I wanted to enhance my card using some decorative dies, and I'm using some from my stash. So I'm just going to cut this, adhere it, and then I have a nice border around it, and this black border really looks good on the card. So I'm now going to use a white card base and stick everything with a combination of wet glue and double-sided tape. So this card really came up very quickly, and I really enjoyed this, though I also enjoy coloring my cards, but this was really fun. So you can see the beautiful foil background, and this really adds a lot of interest in this very simple card. So now I have to add a sentiment on top of this, and for that I'm going to use one of the most popular hot foil plates by Crafty Meraki. This one is full of those beautiful sentiments, and I always cut them and keep a lot of them handy so that I can just pick them up and use them in all my cards. So this is definitely my favorite, and I just adhered it at the center, and now I'm going to embellish it with these beautiful yellow jewel drops from Crafty Meraki. So that is all, and I really enjoyed making this. I hope you also enjoyed watching it. And if you create something using these products, please do not forget to tag us and share your creativity with us. We really love watching all that you create. So that is all. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope to see you very soon. Until then, take good care of yourself. Bye bye.